Hey everyone, welcome to Nature Life Remedy. I'm so glad you're here. You know me, I love to laugh, I love to dance, and I definitely love feeling good. But sometimes life throws you a curveball, and you wake up feeling like you swallowed a cactus. That's right, we're talking about the dreaded cold or flu. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we're diving into my absolute favorite natural remedies, herbal teas. So grab your favorite mug, get comfy, and let's find the perfect herbal remedy for you. First up, let's talk about ginger. Ginger has these amazing anti-inflammatory properties, which basically means it can tackle that sore throat like nobody's business. And it gets even better. Ginger is a natural decongestant, so it helps clear up that stuffy nose and all that congestion. Think about it this way, you know how sometimes you get a cold and it feels like you're breathing through a straw? Well, ginger tea is like, nope, not today, cold. And it just opens up those airways and lets you breathe easy again. And the best part? It's super easy to make. You can just grab some fresh ginger root, slice it up, and let it simmer in hot water for a few minutes. So next time you're feeling a little under the weather, remember ginger tea? It's the spicy superhero you need in your life. Next up, we've got a classic peppermint tea. This is the one, everyone knows peppermint tea, right? But what you might not know is just how amazing it is for kicking those cold and flu symptoms to the curb. Peppermint is like the cool, refreshing friend who always knows how to calm things down. See, it has this natural compound called menthol, and menthol is basically a superhero when it comes to congestion. It's like it goes into your nasal passages and says, "All right, everyone, move along. Nothing to see here," and just opens everything up so you can breathe easy again. And it's not just about breathing. Peppermint tea can also help soothe those pesky coughs that just seem to linger forever. So, brew yourself a cup of peppermint tea, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and feel that congestion melt away. Okay, let's be honest, when you're feeling sick, sometimes all you want to do is curl up in a blanket and sleep it off, right? Well, I've got just the tea for that. Chamomile. Chamomile tea is like a warm hug in a mug. It's known for its calming and relaxing properties. And trust me, when you're battling a cold or flu, a little relaxation goes a long way. One of the best things about chamomile tea is that it can help calm those pesky coughs that often come with a cold. And if you're having trouble sleeping, which, let's be honest, who doesn't when they're sick? Chamomile tea can work wonders. It's like a natural sleep aid, helping you drift off into a peaceful slumber so your body can focus on fighting off that cold. So next time you're feeling under the weather, brew yourself a cup of chamomile tea, dim the lights, put on some relaxing music, and just let yourself unwind. Alright, let's talk about Echinacea tea, the immune system's best friend. You know how sometimes you feel a cold coming on, and you just wish you could give your immune system a little boost? Well, that's where Echinacea comes in. This amazing herb has been used for centuries to help fight off infections, and for good reason. It's like Echinacea is your own personal cheerleader, rooting for your immune system and giving it the extra strength it needs to kick that cold to the curb. Echinacea is thought to increase the production of white blood cells, which are the soldiers of your immune system, fighting off infections and keeping you healthy. So next time you're feeling a little run down, reach for a cup of Echinacea tea. It's like giving your immune system a high five and saying, "You got this." Now, who doesn't love a good cup of lemon tea? It's refreshing, it's bright, and it's packed with vitamin C, which is like the holy grail of cold and flu fighting. You know that saying, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade? Well, I say, when life gives you a cold, make lemon tea. Seriously, lemon tea is like a warm hug for your throat. And the best part is, it's so easy to make. Just slice up a lemon, drop it in your favorite mug, pour some hot water over it, and voila, you've got yourself a delicious and healthy drink that's going to help you feel better in no time. Vitamin C is like the superhero of the immune system. It helps boost your body's natural defenses and fight off those pesky cold and flu viruses. So next time you're feeling a little under the weather, reach for a cup of lemon tea. It's like giving your body a burst of sunshine and a big dose of vitamin C all in one. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Licorice? Really? But trust me on this one. Licorice root tea is a hidden gem when it comes to fighting colds and flu. See, licorice root has these amazing compounds called glyceric acid and flavonoids, which are like the A-team of soothing and calming inflammation. And when you've got a sore throat, inflammation is the enemy. So licorice root tea comes in and it's like, all right, inflammation, you're out of here. And it just calms everything down and helps reduce that scratchy, painful feeling. It's like a warm hug for your throat and a breath of fresh air for your nose, all in one delicious cup. Let's move on to thyme tea, a tea that's small in size, but big on flavor and even bigger on cold-fighting benefits. Don't let its delicate leaves fool you. Thyme is a powerhouse when it comes to tackling those pesky cold and flu symptoms. See, thyme is a natural antimicrobial, which basically means it's here to fight off those nasty infections that are trying to bring you down. And it's not just about fighting off infections. Thyme is also known for its ability to help relieve coughs. You know, those coughs that just linger and linger? Thyme tea is like, enough is enough, and steps in to help soothe those irritated airways and calm those coughs down. So brew yourself a cup of thyme tea, close your eyes, and just breathe in that soothing aroma. All right, let's talk about elderberry tea, the superhero of the herbal tea world. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating a little, but seriously, elderberry has been used for centuries to fight off colds and flu, and for good reason. You see, elderberry is packed with antioxidants and is known for its amazing antiviral properties. What does that mean? It means that elderberry tea can actually help reduce the duration of your cold. That's right, you heard me correctly. It's like elderberry tea swoops in and says, all right, cold, you've had your fun, but it's time for you to go. So next time you're feeling a little under the weather, don't just reach for the tissues. Reach for a cup of elderberry tea. It's like giving your body a fighting chance against those pesky cold and flu viruses. Now let's talk about green tea, the superstar of the tea world. We all know green tea is good for us, but did you know it's also a powerful ally in the fight against colds and flu? Green tea is jam-packed with antioxidants, those amazing compounds that help protect our bodies from damage caused by free radicals. Think of free radicals as those little troublemakers that can weaken your immune system and make you more susceptible to getting sick. So not only can green tea help boost your immune system, but it can also help you relax and de-stress, which is so important when you're feeling under the weather. Last but not least, let's talk about turmeric tea, the golden wonder drink that's taking the world by storm. You know how much I love turmeric, right? It's like the spice of life. But turmeric isn't just for flavoring your food, it's also a powerful anti-inflammatory, thanks to a compound called curcumin. And when you're battling a cold or flu, inflammation is the last thing you want. Turmeric tea swoops in and says, inflammation, you're out of here, and helps reduce those aches, pains, and that overall blah feeling that comes with being sick. Plus, turmeric tea is just plain delicious. It has this warm, earthy flavor that's both comforting and invigorating. So next time you're feeling a little under the weather, reach for a cup of turmeric tea. It's like a warm hug for your body and a golden ticket to feeling better faster. Well, there you have it, my friends. The top 10 herbal teas that can help you conquer those pesky cold and flu symptoms and get back to feeling your amazing selves. Remember, these teas are like little gifts from nature, packed with goodness and ready to help you feel your best. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Nature Life Remedy for more natural health tips, and share it with your friends and family. Stay healthy, everyone.